Hey guys, so after 50 days of growing this cucumber from seed, it's ready to be eaten. You can see it's ready. This is the point where I love most in gardening. And that seeds you just saw me lifting was colored green seeds. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how this cucumber is doing this season. Oh my god, I'm so happy, so excited about this year's planting, and this is my first harvest for the year. This cucumber is my very first harvest for the year, and just in 50 days, here it is. Okay guys, so I have my cucumber here. First harvest for the year. First cucumber harvest for the year. You want some cucumber? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, mommy.
Mmm. Good.
Look, Haba. Look.
Mmm.
Mommy, what's that?
It's good.
Green car. Look at green car.
Mmm.
Eva, where's your red car?
Mmm.
Mommy,
Mmm.
look. It's my red car.
Mmm.
Mommy,
Mmm.